Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the license plate light, the tag light on a Jeep Patriot. It's the same from 2007 until now, 2015. Stay with us to see how to do that. First we need to open the trunk. Okay, there is right and left side, so we need to make sure which one is not working. And in order to take it off, there is one clip there, so you push in and you pry it a little bit with the screwdriver and the glass comes right off. And now this is the bulb right there. You just pull it out. Sometimes they get stuck. It's not very comfortable, but you pull it out like that, and this is the bulb right here. And you just put it back in like that and put the glass. You make sure that the two slots go in and push it, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.